Hello everyone, my name is David. I am from Indonesia. I am a bachelor graduate from IPB University. On this opportunity, permission to present my research result, which are titled The Land Subsidence Detection in Jakarta Province using Sentinel-1A satellite imagery. This is an outline on my presentation. Introduction, Study Area. Province DKI Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia, has very rapid development and progress. Discussed by the Center for Economy and the Government in centralized in DKI Jakarta. With these things will impose to change in physical condition in DKI Jakarta. According to BBC News Indonesian online media in 2018, explained that DKI Jakarta has a big problem. What is the land subsidence, especially in coastal area? These conditions are due to the coastal area very vulnerable to good environmental pressure from land and sea. According to Media Print magazine, second in 2015, explained that Jakarta has experienced land subsidence, so that resulting in some regions, especially the north of DKI Jakarta. Subsidence associated is affected by land subsidence due to the lower groundwater. According to Newsflash on land media and profit, say that the groundwater in Jakarta has successful down of up to 14 meter, triggered by high consumption of groundwater. Basic question in this research: what is a land subsidence? According to Abidin et al. 2016, land subsidence is the decrease of a land subsidence or soil topography to a reference land subsidence caused by a volume change in the under rock layer. According to Wintolkar and Redis 1989, the causing factor of land subsidence may occur naturally or non-naturally. Natural subsidence caused by a geological process classified as a weather, settling and movement of the earth. Non-naturally land subsidence happen without natural activities. Example of a reduction due to the building expense, reduction due to the groundwater extraction, mineral or gas mining process. Andreas et al. 2019 has been conducting a land subsidence monitoring research using a GNSS extensometer tools. How it works using a stand media plant in the area to be monitored. These tools can detect soil movement up to 1 millimeter accuracy. Land subsidence detection can also be done using a satellite images. According to the Lee et al. 2003, the use information and monitoring of land reduction. One, the utilization of the satellite image and detection, soil detection with the DINSAR method, differential interferometric synthetic aperture radar, DINSAR. The following is a spatial mapping of a land subsidence in Indonesia. You can see that a higher soil creation tend to be located in the coastal area. The purpose of the research mapping and land subsidence from Sentinel-1A satellite image with a differential interferometric synthetic aperture radar DINSAR in DKI Jakarta. This research is a focus in the area of DKI Jakarta. Data processing and analysis stage done in November 2019 until April 2020 in the computer laboratory of the Department of Marine Science and Technology FPK IPB. The tools used this research are Snap Software, Snapview Unwrapping, Microsoft Office, ArcMap, and Google Earth. The materials are used in the image of a Sentinel radar's level 1 single looking complex, them SRTM on the Snap tools, save file, and GPS data from comparison with a DINSAR method. DINSAR processing, co-registration, to see compatible of master and slave image on a subset, apply orbit, update orbit of file data, interferometric, see the compatible of the master and slave image on the value of a coherence, subset, cutting the image are according to the study area, topsar the brush, removing or reducing disturbance on the image, removal topography, subtract to the topography interferometric, path so that can be changed from a projection field to flat field. Filter Goldstein claimed the extends fringe on the interferometric image, multi-looking, change into a pixel form, phase unwrapping, convert from a phase to absolute form, phase displacement, convert from absolute form to metric, range Doppler, correct the geometric to according with the surface of the Earth, layout, making of a sub-advanced map. In the image of the area, show white and root object, where in the area which are black object with a smooth surface. In the phase interferogram, images are produced with a form phase. The change in the phase value of interferogram image does not look clearly because it has a large decoloration of a noise, so filtering is unneeded. Filtering processing using a Goldstein filtering technique. The filter process only increase accuracy value and takes the phase in the area without a large coherence value without changing the phase value. Information on the filtering process is the limit between minus p until p value, so creating phase ambiguity problems. Radar image is a form due to the amplitude measurement results from a radar system. Amplitude show the strength of the object that the reserved by the receiver. On the both radar with a bearing that the will produce a phase difference. The phase difference is utilized by the SAR image to calculate variation movement on the surface of the Earth. Therefore, that a partial unwrapping process is conducted to eliminate the ambiguity of the phase value to get an absolute phase value. Look at the picture. Should be evaluation at this high phase, but still enclosed by a phase of a 2p. Then we do an unwrapping process to return the actually although elevation at 2p to 8p interval. Algorithm enter in the unwrapping process using the minimum cost flow MCF. In the image of the unwrapping process, the image of the interferogram already has a deformation value in the unit p radian. Result obtained in the unwrapping process is still in a radiation, so need to convert to get a metric unit value, so displacement process is needed. The result of the DINSAR of a land subsidence of DKI Jakarta. The value of a land subsidence indicated by a color implementation on a color bar. Subsidence in 2019 until 2020 have an interval of a minus 10.7 until 1.8 cm per year. The vertical distribution pattern of a land subsidence determination of a DKI Jakarta is the large in the north of Jakarta and getting down to the south of the Jakarta. According to Daily Nom 2015, the highest land subsidence happened in the north of Jakarta. Data from the Department of Industry and Energy say that land subsidence in such area expression flows of up to 100 cm. Previous DINSAR processing has been done by Cynthia et al. 2018, DKI Jakarta in 2016 and 2017. Data is compared with the result of the DINSAR processing in my research. In the 2019 table, the layers decrease happened in South Jakarta, while the layers year happened in North Jakarta. The comparison of the result of the GPS measurement conducted by Abidin et al. GPR measurement from 2007 until 2008 has a large interval minus 6 until minus 28 cm per year. GPS measurement in 2008 until 2009 has a big reduction interval minus 3 to until minus 14 cm per year, where the GPS measurement in 2009 until 2010 has a major reduction interval minus 2 until minus 16 cm per year. Land development from the picture tends to be higher in the North Jakarta area. According to Gunawan 2010, the process of a land formation in the beach of the Jakarta is affected by the higher condition of a sediment and the stability of this faster beach land. The existence of the settlement has decreased the power of the soil background around the river beach down to the abrasion. Land subsidence will impose the damage of the road infrastructure which had happened at Mutiara Beach and Pademangan, North Jakarta, and West Cengkareng. Conclusion: average of a land subsidence in 2019 until 2020 in the administration city region of North Jakarta minus 4.9 cm per year, East Jakarta minus 2.5 cm per year, West Jakarta minus 4.8 cm per year, Central Jakarta minus 3.1 cm per year, and South Jakarta minus 2.8 cm per year. Infrastructure development factor near the mouth rivers also increase land subsidence in DKI Jakarta. Following the reference and I use in the research. Perhaps enough so that I can present no more or less as well as a mistake that I said either intentionally or not. I really apologize. Thanks for your attention.